Alright guys, I've ordered a balloon kit from Temu and we're going to go over this. So simple, so easy. I blow up all my balloons, separate them by size, shape, and color. I group them in groups of 2 first, tie them together, then take the groups of 2 and twist them together. So easy. It comes with sticky dots and this plastic contraption string. Do not use any of that. The only thing you need is the balloon string. I am teaching you the easiest method possible. Even a caveman can do it. You literally take it and wrap it around one single balloon in the group. You're going to keep adding. I'm doing an ombre effect, so I'm going to group all this same size and color and shape all into a grouping, and then I'm going to go to the next color. I'm going to gradually just go from the tan to the brown to the green to the gold, and then I'll start getting some smaller groupings of balloons. I could do a fancier balloon garland for my child's birthday, but am I? Absolutely not. Because I have to do one other million things. So I'm teaching y'all the most simplest way to do this yourself. And if you buy this kit from Temu, any kind of balloon kit from Temu, Amazon, I made 2 large garlands for my backdrop and to go over my cake table with this one garland for 20 bucks. And all I use is the balloons, a blower upper that I got from Walmart for 20 bucks. And the best thing ever, I love these little freestanding gold hoops. If you want the link, I can give you that. They're like 20 bucks a piece. And those black clamps. Those clamps I use for every balloon garland I've ever made. And I just clamp them on there and just tie to that. But look how cute it turned out. I hope y'all have a great week.